Alright guys, welcome back to That Data Nerd. Today I've got another question from you for LeetCode. This is 618 students report by geography. In this is a hard question and it's an Amazon asked question. In this we have been given a table called student. uh, it has two columns inside, name and continent. Name is name of the student, while the continent is the continent that they are belonging to. And we have been given that a school has students from Asia, Europe and America. Write a solution to pivot the continent column in the student table so that each name is sorted alphabetically and displayed underneath its corresponding continent. The output headers should be America, Asia, and Europe, respectively. The test cases are generated so that the student number from America is not less than either Asia or Europe. The result format is in the following example. This is the student input, and the output is America has Jack and Jane, Asia has Z and Null, and Europe has Pascal and Null. So basically, we are going from America to Asia to Europe. One of the things that would be important is in this would be to create an ID. Um, we can create a to find. Um, to find is columns like pivot and create columns such that America has American continent students, Asia has Asian, and Europe has European. We have been given one table called student, which has two columns, name and continent. Let's start pivoting. So we can create a with CT as, let's add the pseudocode first. Sorry, my bad. In the pseudocode, we will what we'll first do is we'll first create an ID to join America with Asia with Europe, right? Thing is, if we create an ID, we will need to do a row number over. So if we do this, then this will give you 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth for each student that there. Once you do that, you can also create a name as Asia or name as Europe or name as America in 3 different CTEs. Then finally you can join them and put them together. Select from row number over as ID, name as America, from student, let let's remove the width here. I can what I've done is I basically essentially copied it and then remove CTE2. Row number is fine, but name as Asia should be there, name as Europe should be there. Let's remove the last comma. Let's go for select CTE from CTE join CTE1 as on a dot row a dot id is equal to b dot id, join CTE2 c on a dot id is equal to c dot id. Let's write America, Asia, Europe. I think if we create a left join, that should be better, because only America has 2, Europe and Asia each have 1, so there will not be a perfect exact join. There should be a left join. If I do this, oh sorry, let me also write where continent is equal to America, where continent equal to Asia, where continent equal to Europe. Oh, and then here let me just order by name to get the correct answer. Now one of the key errors that I was facing was that all of the students were getting populated everywhere, which should not be the case, because I should create a CT. If I'm creating a CT for Asia, then I should put a continent equal to Asia filter. And another error that I faced was that I hadn't ordered by name. So Jane appeared before Jack, but they specifically want Jack to appear before Jane. So that is why we have to put the order by name inside the first CTE. If I did that, and put a row number everywhere, then I am able to get select Asia, America, Asia and Europe perfectly. And I'll go ahead and submit it out. Oh sorry, I should put a order by everywhere. Sorry. Okay, order by name, order by name, and it has been accepted. So this is the answer to this question. This is a good question on LeetCode, though it is not hard as such, but because it uses the row number over blank as an ID concept, and it also uses the where and order by. Therefore, it kind of becomes tricky. But it is one of those good questions where companies can trick you in the SQL interview. So I would recommend everyone to follow this video, and probably if you have any doubts, please feel free to drop a comment. I should be able to solve every comment of yours. Thank you for now. Bye.